Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Hello friends, welcome back to Fauzi Alfaz. In this video, we will discuss about 1st April one-liner current affairs. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey has taken over the command of strategic Kashmir-based 15 corps from Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. Ministry of Defence headquarters in New Delhi, founded 15th August 1947. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Chief of the Navy Staff Admiral Karambir Singh. Chief of the Air Force Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. The Indian Space Research Organisation has revised the launch schedule of GeoImagine satellite GISAT first on board GSLV F-10 rocket following a minor issue with the spacecraft. Indian Space Research Organisation formation in 15th August 1969, headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. Chairman Dr. K. Shivan. World Bank has published the World Development Report 2021 Data for Better Lives. The World Development Report 2021 provides a blueprint on how to harness the power of data for development to ensure no one is left behind. World Bank Foundation in 1944, President David Malpass, headquarters in Washington, D.C. The seasoned Achanta Sharath Kamal has become the first Indian paddler to qualify for the Tokyo Olympic Games after a dominant win over Pakistan's Mohammad Rameez at the Asian Olympic Qualifications Tournament in Doha. Asa Bhosle has thanked the Maharashtra government for receiving the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2020. This award, given by the Maharashtra government since 1996, is given to a distinguished person of the state for his outstanding works and achievements. Asa Bhosle is the first Indian singer to be nominated for a Grammy Award. He was nominated for the first time in the year 1997. The Google has launched short video platform for workspaces called Threadict to help make remote work more efficient. Recently news, Google Cloud has appointed Bikram Singh Bedi as Managing Director for India. Thomas Kurian is the Chief Executive Officer of Google Cloud. Launched April 7, 2008. India and Bangladesh signed 5 MOUs in the field of disaster management, trade, NCC, ICT and setting up of sports facilities. India gifted 109 life support ambulance to Bangladesh and also 1.2 million doses of Covishield vaccine. 3 border heads were also opened along the Indian-Bangladesh border. Bangladesh capital and largest city, Dhaka. President Abdul Hamid, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiative to make India Atmanirbhar, India has developed its first indigenously developed app store called Mobile Seva App Store. Ministry of Electronics, IT and Communications, headquarters Sanchar Bhavan, New Delhi. Cabinet Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, Minister of State Sanjay Samrao Dhotre. As per Bloomberg data on market capitalization, the India remained at the 8th position among the top 10 nations with a market capitalization of $2.8 trillion. The government has extended the term of Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijay Raghavan by a year. Dr. Vijay Raghavan, 67, has appointed PSA in a 2018 after retiring as Secretary Department of Biotechnology. His contract ends on the April 2, but has now been extended until April 2022. Amidst assembly election in 4 states and a union territory, the government approved issuance of the 16th tranche of electoral bond, which will be open for sale from April 1st to 10. Electoral bonds have been pitched as an alternative to cash donations made to political parties as part of efforts to bring transparency in political funding. Election Commission of India, headquarters in New Delhi. First Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sukumar Sen. President Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sunil Arora. Recently, Sunil Arora released a book titled Electoral Reforms in India, authored by Dr. Komal Jain. CSIR Bharat Biotech will bring the mRNA vaccine platform to India in the coming few months. mRNA has emerged as one of the most powerful technologies in the COVID-19 pandemic. During the COVID-19 pandemic, mRNA vaccine by Pfizer and Moderna have been amongst test developed and approved vaccine for use. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, founder Arkwet Ramaswamy Mudaliar and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Established in 26 September 1942, President Prime Minister of India, Director General Shekhar C. Mande, Parent Institute, Ministry of Science and Technology. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like this video. Please share this video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and Jai Hind. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update.